Is it the right time to buy or sell UiPath stock? In this video, we'll be diving deep into UiPath. We previously published a report on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Stay updated on our latest analysis by subscribing, liking this video, and turning on the notification bell. Don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of February 8, 2024, our system has identified UiPath as a buy candidate with a score of 2.78. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance over this period. During this time, the stock has experienced a significant increase of 6.77%. This means that on average, it has gained 1.35% per day since being identified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect the stock to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $27.01, it could indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 16.45% change expected over the next 3 months. This means that the stock could see a return between -2.70% and 20.9% during this period. Furthermore, the 12-month trend suggests a significant 46.16% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between -1.89% and 51.44%. In terms of price, we could see the stock ranging between $25.52 and $39.39 after a year. Our latest update for UiPath brings exciting news. The stock price experienced a green day on Wednesday, gaining 4.29%. On the last trading day, Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the UiPath Incorporated stock price rose from $24.94 to $26.01, marking a 4.29% increase. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $25.16 and a high of $26.10, showing a 3.74% variation. It's worth noting that the stock has been on an upward trend, rising in 8 out of the last 10 days and gaining 13.19% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume decreased by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 10 million shares traded, equivalent to approximately $252.47 million. Decreasing volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and may be an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $27.87, while the lowest price was $12.38. Currently, the price sits at 6.67% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $1.86. It's even more noteworthy that the current price is 71.1% below the all-time high, which occurred on May 28, 2021, when the price reached $90. Analyst ratings. On Friday, December 1, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Path a rating of Perform with a recommended action of Hold. On Friday, December 1, 2023, Needham gave Path a rating of Buy with a recommended action of Hold. On Friday, December 1, 2023, RBC Capital gave Path a rating of Sector Perform with a recommended action of Hold. On Friday, December 1, 2023, BMO Capital gave Path a rating of Perform with a recommended action of Hold. On Thursday, September 7, 2023, RBC Capital gave Path a rating of Sector Perform with a recommended action of Hold. According to analysts, the stock of UiPath has received a general sell rating. The PE ratio is rated as buy, while the price-to-book ratio is also considered buy. In terms of return on investment, analysts give the stock a rating of sell. Today, we're going to discuss the signals that have been identified for UiPath, a leading company in the market. Let's dive in. The stock of UiPath Incorporated is currently showing promising signs. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. We also observe a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections downward, we can expect some support from the lines at $25.02 and $23.55. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it may issue sell signals. It's important to keep a close eye on this. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which further strengthens the positive outlook. However, it's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. We should closely monitor the stock in light of this. On the other hand, a few negative signals have also been identified, which might have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, February 12, 2024, resulting in a minus 3.24% fall so far. It indicates that there might be a further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence. This indicator is currently showing a buy signal. Pivots. A sell signal was generated 3 days ago. Bollinger. A buy signal was generated 3 days ago. Short-term moving average. A buy signal was generated 7 days ago. Long-term moving average. A buy signal was generated 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. Short moving average. A sell signal was generated 9 days ago. The long-term moving average. A buy signal was generated 72 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 60 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for UiPath. UiPath Incorporated is currently finding support from accumulated volume at $25.25. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. It's worth noting that this stock has average movements throughout the trading day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock moved 94 cents between its high and low, representing a 3.74% fluctuation. Over the course of the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.96%. Before we explore potential trading levels for UiPath, let's first go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is crucial as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is currently losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through down periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now, moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on March 20, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $0.150. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for UiPath. If UiPath is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $26.26. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for the stock to surpass this level before entering a position. However, if you're already invested in UiPath, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if UiPath is facing a downward trend, it will encounter its first support level at $25.25. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, as it may indicate a potential rebound in the stock. The average rating for UiPath from multiple analysts is sell. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On February 5, 2024, Gupta Ashim sold 16,000 shares of Class A common stock. On February 1, 2024, Yang Jun bought 26,086 shares of Class A common stock. Also on February 1, 2024, Yang Jun bought 0 shares. On January 8, 2024, Wang Rich sold 200,000 shares of Class A common stock. And on January 4, 2024, Gupta Ashim sold 125,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is -95.145, indicating a negative trend. In total, insiders have purchased 311,891 shares and sold 17,219,216 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $24.87, which represents a decrease of 4.39%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 2 days ago. Is UiPath stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that the current level may present a buying opportunity for UiPath Incorporated stock. There is a fair chance for it to perform well in the short term. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, February 15th, we expect UiPath to open down by $0.253 and start trading at $25.76. Before we begin, it's important to understand the risks involved in trading. Keep in mind that there's a high chance of losing money, so it's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with an insightful view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What do you think is the target for this stock? We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.